How to change Facebook password if forgotten. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open a Facebook on your device. Now enter your email address. Now tap on forgotten password. Now enter your phone number or email address and click on continue. Again tap on continue. Now go back to the home screen and open up email. Now copy the code and go back to Facebook. Now paste the code and tap on continue. Again wait for some time. Now tap on three lines at the top right corner. Now go to settings and privacy. Tap on settings. Now tap on account center. Tap on password and security and click on change password. Now tap on Facebook. Tap on forgotten password. Again tap on continue. Again go back to Gmail. Now refresh the page. Now open up the email. Now copy the code. Go back to Facebook and paste the code. Tap on continue. Now create a new password and tap on next. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.